Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Windows 10 has applied recent updates and you've restarted. This avoids transient display bugs. Once ready, open Settings with Win+I or via Start, then go straight to Ease of Access. You need to find Color Filters in the left column. This is where Inversion options live. Make sure Nightlight is off to avoid confusion while testing. Now keep Settings open and move to Enabling or Disabling Filters so you can see immediate results as you proceed. Once in Color Filters, flip the main toggle to enable or disable the feature. You'll see the screen change immediately, which helps confirm what's controlling the inversion. Then pick a preset, grayscale inverted, inverted, or another option, and observe the effect so you know which setting you prefer. Next, verify the keyboard shortcut Win plus Control plus C isn't accidentally triggering inversion by turning it on or off, and confirm Ease of Access keyboard settings aren't mapped to something unexpected on your machine. If the basic controls don't fix inversion, update or reinstall your display driver through Device Manager. Corrupted drivers can force weird color behavior. Also check Advanced Display Settings and Color Management to reset or remove custom ICC profiles that may invert colors. If problems persist, run System File Checker and DISM to repair system files, or temporarily create a new user to rule out profile corruption. Troubleshooting tip: if inversion returns after reboot, boot into
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.